Show you how the QREA 3 meter can be bump tested and calibrated with the Cradle. As you notice over here, we have a black box that holds all the calibration equipment inside of the case. You'll find the case outside in the apparatus bay in the black locker next to the workbench. So when you decide whatever calibration you want to do, very, very simple. You have your calibration gas. Go ahead and take the top off here. Set the regulator in the gas bottle, but you don't really need to tighten it all down yet until you're ready to calibrate, because you'll just be wasting gas. So just set it in there for now, and then go ahead and plug it into port 1 on the Cradle. And with the meter, it doesn't have to be on. Just go ahead and turn it upside down, set it in here, put it down, and the meter will automatically turn on, and you'll see the indicators will bounce back and forth. They'll do that until the meter is set up and ready for calibration. Okay, our meter is warmed up, and you note here that we have 2 green LEDs here for calibration. So what we'll do is we'll move over to the gas bottle here, go ahead and tighten up the regulator, start the flow of gas, and then we'll go ahead and press the bump for calibration. Okay, so we've pressed our bump test. You'll see that one of the flashing lights will go off for calibration, and now it's working in the bump test mode. When you do the test, you'll start to smell the different kinds of gases in the room air. So to help save time on the video, after we pressed that bump test there and it was flashing and calibrating, the unit did sound with one beep, and then, as you just heard, you heard 3 beeps, and that signifies that the bump test is complete. So that's all you have to do here. To end the test, all you do is open up the Cradle by pressing this red button down, and you go ahead and take the machine out. And if you note here, you see that the bump test passed. Okay, all you do is select the Y plus sign for select. I'm sorry, yeah, my mistake. You gotta actually go use the down button to exit, and then select. And then you return to normal mode, you'll say yes. It just says sensors are warming up. You saw the red LED indicators, and the alarm went off. And it should have returned to normal mode here in a few seconds. So with this Cradle, we did the bump test, but for the calibration, it's the same exact thing. When you press calibration, the only thing is the test takes a little bit longer. So it does say here now that to do a fresh air 0 calibration, you go ahead and hit start, and it'll be about 30 seconds, and it should be complete. And after this, the machine should turn to normal mode. Okay, so the unit finished out its 0 calibration. It's going to the results screen here. You press the exit button, and now the machine's back into normal operation mode. Go ahead and hold the power button for 5 seconds. It'll shut down, and you're all set. The unit can go back on Easy 6 and to the charging Cradle. And also we have another unit just like this one that's in Easy 7. Every week, on Thursdays, we switch out these units from Easy 7 into Easy 6, so that unit can stay charged as well.